Music is the spice for life, and we have another musical extravaganza today, East-West Musical Show. And we have none other gracing the occasion but Dr. Romesh Jafra, the famous Dr. Romesh Jafra of the Bay Area. Hello, sir, and tell us, what is the main cause of supporting this event?
Well, Jasleen, first of all, my hello and namaskar and sat sri akal to all the viewers out there of IND TV. As this is a very rare occasion that I get to come to really witness and watch and enjoy a musical program like this. Most of the time I've been involved wholly solely and we really don't get to enjoy that much. But music has been part of my body, and right from when I was a kid, I used to sing myself, I won a lot of awards, but I could never keep up with it because my other interests of organizing and getting more involved into the big functions. So I've never been able to do that. But even until 15-20 years ago, we used to have these musical events at my house when Mehndi Hassan and all these big shots used to come and sing at my house, and we used to enjoy it. Now it's become more open, and tonight we're going to have almost 500-600 people over here, and then great singers, and I'm going to totally enjoy it, and some old songs and current songs. And I think, like you said, the music is something which we can always get better with. As a matter of fact, my medical field, we even there was people like Tansen and other, they used to cure things, even cancers and heart diseases and many serious diseases could be cured by just listening to the music.
Absolutely. Music is a medication, and you're a doctor, so you can relate it. Who can relate it more than you? You're a cardiologist, and music touches the heart. And good music always touches the heart. And it is Aditi's Sweet 16 also today, What wishes would you like to extend to her?
Absolutely. She's really an upcoming star, as a matter of fact, not a kid anymore. And what she's been able to do with Stardust Award and everything else, I think we wish her all the best. And of course, at 16, back home we used to think somebody's really blossomed at 16. And with her singing talent, I tell you, all we can do is wish her all the best. She can become a bigger and bigger star as a singer, and that's her passion. And that's all. Whatever help we can do her to get up there, I think we'll definitely do it with all our resources, all our functions. And we would definitely, that's one of the reasons we are here to support her, our guru, and everybody else around her.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jafra. Have a good time.
Thank you.
Melody Queen Alka Bhatnagar is right here with us, and she is not just gracing the occasion but the actual source behind this great celebration. Yes, this is Aditi's Sweet 16 celebration, but also a great platform where Alka ji has created all the strengths and skills in her to launch her, right? You are the Guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, गुरु साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तो आप ही को नमस्कार है, आप गुरु हैं। Tell us a little about the journey.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि अदिति बच्ची जो इतनी टैलेंटेड है और उसको मुझे सिखाने का मुझे मौका मिला। कर्नाटक वो सीख चुकी थी, हिंदुस्तानी संगीत मैंने सिखाया, बॉलीवुड के उसको काफ़ी टिप्स दिए, और आज वो फुल फ्लेजेड एक आर्टिस्ट की तरह सामने आ रही है। दिल बड़ा खुश हो रहा है बहुत बुरी तरह से। So I will say about Aditi, she is very talented and she will go very far. बहुत आगे बढ़ेगी वो।
So what kind of education were you actually giving her? Like what exactly was the genre she was more interested in, and what were the strengths that you focused on?
Yeah, because classical music is the base. बिना उसके कोई भी गाना अधूरा होता है, तो क्लासिकल की ट्रेनिंग उसको दी मैंने। और बॉलीवुड में क्योंकि टॉप म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर से मुझे बहुत नोट्स मिले हैं, तो वो मैं उसको बताती रही कि किन नोट्स पे स्ट्रेस करो, किन को स्ट्रेच करो, फीलिंग्स लाओ। सो उसने फटाफट सब कुछ पिक किया, और आज देखो बहुत कुछ सुनाएगी आपको। यू विल एंजॉय हर सिंगिंग।
Absolutely. So what is the key program like? Is it more of a Bollywood or more towards classical, more in Hindi or in another language? Like कुछ खुलासा करें।
खुलासा ये है कि क्लासिकल तो नहीं है, लेकिन क्लासिकल बेस्ड गाने हैं, और we'll start with some of the semi-classical songs, but definitely Bollywood songs. उनके अच्छी कंपोजिशन, फिर फास्ट नंबर्स भी लिए हमने, कि बॉलीवुड में वर्सेटाइल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो अदिति विल शो हाउ वर्सेटाइल शी इज़।
Wonderful. Thank you so much for grooming her, mentoring her, and we look forward to listening to her. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.